Hi viewers, thank you for everyone for watching my videos on YouTube. If anyone not subscribed still now, please subscribe my channel and also like the video, share to your friends and family members or relatives. Thank you. And today's topic is Vedic mathematics subtraction tricks. Subtraction tricks. And here we have to use one sutra, that is base complement method. Base complement method. For example, if we take one subtraction, 348, 124. Here you see we are subtracting 124 from 348. How we can do this? 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. This is the current method. This is the current modern method to subtract one number from another number. And how we done this one? We written 3, 4, 8 in this direction. This one also in this direction we written the number. That means left to right we written the number. And we done the subtraction from left to, that means right to left, right to left. Subtraction we done, first we written 4, next to 2, next to 2. That means we written the answer from right to left. We written the problems, that means numbers, from left to right, and we done the solution from right to left. But Vedic mathematics says we can do the subtraction from left to right also, and in easiest method. Easiest method. Okay, how we can do that? Very easy. 348. That means 348 minus 124. Easily we start from left. 3 minus 1, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4, 4. So this is the answer. From left to right also we can do the subtraction by using Vedic mathematics. But another example we have to take. One example is 5, 3, 2, 4. And 2812. If you do this subtraction in current method, how we can do this in current method? 4 minus 2. From we start from right side and moves to left side. Okay, so here 4 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 1, 1, and 3 minus 8. It is not good. That means 8 is not going from 3. That's why 3 is smaller than 8. That's why we have to borrow 10 from the left side digit. And then this one becomes 4. And this one becomes 13. 3 plus 10, 13. And now 13 minus 8. 13 minus 8, 5. Right here. And here 4 only here. In 10, in thousands place 4 only. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, if you do in Vedic mathematics, 5, 3, 2, 4 minus 2, 8, 1, 2. How we can do? 5 minus 2 is equal to, in Vedic method we start from left side and moves to right. 5 minus 2, 3. But here 2 only here. Okay, we can getting wrong answer. Okay, to do this there is a method, there is a sutra in Vedic mathematics, that is base complement method. It is very important, and also by using this base complement method we can do this type of subtractions in one line only and very easily. Okay, we need not to borrow anything in this method. In Vedic method we need not to borrow, and we need not to add this number, and we need not to cut like these numbers. But how we can do? To do this subtraction by using basic complement method. You see here, what is complement? First we have to know the complement. We have to find the one digit number. We can find any one digit number and its complement for 10. Okay, for example, you take 1. What is its complement number? 9. Because of 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. So 1 comma 9 are complements to 10. That means here next to 2, you take 2. 2, what is the complement of 2? 8. Because of 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. And next to 3, what is the complement of 3? 7. What is the complement of 4? 6. What is the complement of 5? 5 only. What is the complement of 6? 4. Again repeating like this. 7, 3. And next to 8, 2. Next 9, 1. We have to remind these complements. Very easy. Once we have to see and we have to understand these complements, then we can remind forever in our mind. That's it. That is why complement of 1, 9, complement of 2, 8. Like this, if you remind in your mind. And now we can do this 5 minus 2. We can write by using varying method. 5 minus 2. We start from left side. That's why 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 8. It is that means 8 is more than 3. That's why 8 we cannot subtract from 3. In this time, what is the base? This is the base. The number which is in the second row is the base. Okay, this is the base. And what is the complement of a base? What is the complement of base? What is the complement of base? 8 base. 8 base. That means 8 complement is a 2. Okay, so its complement is a 2. Okay, I am writing complement, not carrying over. Here it is complement. Okay, complement 2 is complement of 8. Okay, we know that. Now we have to add these two numbers, 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, and also once we have to remind here, this 8 is not going from 3. That is why it is not 3. That means we have to take 1000 from thousands place. That means from here. That is why it is not 3. Less than 1 we have to write. Okay, so this is 2. And this is 2. And next use here 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, rewrite again. This is not 3. That is why 2, 5, 1, 2. So this is the answer. Okay, of course, after practicing some problems, we can write the solution or answer in one line only. We need not to write these two lines also. Okay, how we can, once we have to take one more example. Okay, I'm taking one number 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and next one more 2, 7, 4, 1, 5. Okay, we are subtracting 27,415 from 52,341. We are subtracting. In regular method, that means in current modern method, we have to start from here. That means right side and move to left. And borrowing and adding next to cutting. This is very long process, but in Vedic method, very simple method. If you keep in your mind these complements. Okay, now you see 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. But next also we have to observe. Next 2 minus 7 is not going. So 5 minus 2 actually 3. But we don't write 3 because of next numbers are, that means next this 7 is not going from 2. That is why Here we have to write one less number. That means 5 minus 2, 3. And it is not, 7 is not going from, not, we cannot subtract from 2. That is why should write here 2 only. Actually 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. But we have to write here 2 because 7 is not subtracting from 2. Because of 7 is more than 2. Okay. First only we have to observe, then we should write here in one line only. We need not write this 3 also after some practicing some problems. Now you see here, what is the base of 7? 7 base is 3. That 3 plus 2 here, 5. And next you see here, observe next number. 3 minus 4 also not possible. That is why here we need not to write, actually it is 5, but we should write here 4. Okay, next 3 minus 4. What is the base here? 4. Base complement. What is the complement of this base? 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9 we should write. But next observe. 4 minus 1. Yes, it is subtracting. So write as it is 3 plus here complement 6. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. You write. 4 minus 1. Okay. Easily we can write. This is 3. Okay. But the next number 1 minus 5 is not going. That is why here we should write 2. And next 1 plus, what is the complement of this base? 5. 1 plus 5, 6. So this is the answer. 24,926 is the answer. Let us take one more example. The 34 lakhs 92,625 are written, and the next number 90,56,918. We are subtracting this number from this number. Actually, in regular method, it can take much time. But you see here 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, but 4 minus 9 is not possible. That is why here we should write here 1 only. Actually 2, but we have to write 1 because of 9 is more than 4. What is the complement of 9? 1 only. 1 plus 4, 1 plus 4, 5. But 9 minus 5 is subtracting. That's why here we can write 1 plus 4, 5, right as this. Next 9 minus 5 equal to 4. But 2 minus 6 is not possible. That is why we should write here 3 only. And next what is the complement of 6? 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. But 6 minus 9 is not possible. That is why we should write here 5 only. Next, what is the complement of 9? 1. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. But 2 minus 1 it is possible. That is why we are at 7 as this. And 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. But 5 minus 8 is not possible. So what is the 1 less than 1? That is 0. You write here. And what is the complement of 8? 2. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. That is why we can do this subtraction very easily in one step only, and also left side to right. Okay, how we are writing the numbers from left side to right? In that way only we can do this subtraction, and without any mistake. Okay, if we do this in the current method, how we can do in current method? 5 minus, first we have to start from here. 5 minus 8 is not going, so borrow 10, and it becomes 1, and it becomes 5 is 10, 15. 15 minus 8, it is 7, and it is 1 minus 1, 0. 6 minus 9 is not going. That's why you are borrowing 10. 6 plus 10, it becomes 16, and it becomes 1, and 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. Next, 1 minus 6 is not going. That is why here borrow 10, and it becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. and this 9 becomes 8 only. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and next 4 minus 9 is not possible, so borrow 10 and it becomes 14. 14 minus 9 is equal to 5, and next this becomes 2. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the regular method, and it is very confusing, and maybe we can get a mistake also. We cannot do fast calculation, but by using Vedic mathematics, this trick, base complement method, very simply we can do this solution or a subtraction. Okay, and also it is very useful to calculate the subtraction speedily, and also it is very useful in competitive examination. Okay, thank you very much. If you not subscribed still now, you subscribe our channel and also share the video to your friends.